Okay. So we are having a different methods of refining. Winterization is there. Then what are those? Winterization. Then gravity settling. Then
alkali,
alkali refining. Then alkali refining is also called as neutralization. Winterization is also called as cold refining. Gravity settling at the bottom. Gravity means same based on the suspended solid. This gravity, the suspended solid matter will be deposited at the bottom. Then we are having a deodorization. I think this also we have completed. Okay, so every single specific method of refining having a specific application, a specific function. Okay, so then another is the deteriorative changes in the fish body oil. Deteriorative changes in fish body oil. That means the fish body oils is going to spoil. Fish body oil is going to spoil, deteriorate. Why? Because they contains a highly unsaturated fatty acid, PUFA, or we can say it contains a unsaturated fatty acid. That means they are having a more number of double bonds, which are very reactive in nature. So very reactive in nature in terms of if we are exposing to the singlet oxygen, if we are exposing to the light, if we are exposing to the elevated temperature, if we are exposing to the metal ions, so this reactiveness of this highly unsaturated fatty acids will be reacted to this compound, reacted to this pro-oxidant, our fat will be oxidized. So that's why the deteriorative changes will take place in the fish body oil because of the presence of the PUFA and HUFA. Okay, and also the fish which we are using as a raw material for the fish body oil or fish meal production, before the, that means before production of the fish body oil or fish meal, we must have to check the quality of the fish which we are using as a raw materials, whether it is a spoil or it is a fresh condition. So that is very important. Receipt of the raw material, whether it is a fresh one or a spoiled one. If it is spoiled, definitely the quality of the oil which we are obtaining by all these methods will be very less and superior in quality, not superior, sorry, inferior in quality. Okay, so this postmortem change in the fish after the extraction and storing, and the important among them the development of, so there will be a development of this free fatty acids. What are the changes will takes place in the fish body oil after the extraction? So that one is the free fatty acid development and the oxidative rancidity and flavor reversion. These are the three changes which takes place after the extraction and during the storage of the fish oils. Okay, so these are very important. One of the free fatty acids. So free fatty acids, how it develops because of the presence of the lipolytic enzymes, lipolytic activity, which continues at an ordinary temperature of storage, but can be prevented by storing at very low temperature, which is -10. Because each enzyme is having an optimum temperature for the specific activity or optimum activity. So we must have to provide that temperature for showing the optimum activity. So lipolytic activity, that means lipolytic enzyme which present in the fish, especially the entrails region, alimentary canal region. So this enzyme will be activated and it may leads to the production of free fatty acids. It may act on the lipid and it may release the free fatty acids. So one of the development of the free fatty acid after extraction and storage. Then another one is the oxidative density. Oxidative density is because of the lipooxidase enzymes. Lipooxidase enzymes, and another one is the exposure of the fish oils to this pro-oxidant, singlet oxygen, metal ions, temperature, high temperature. So it may affect or it may initiate the oxidation of the fish oils. So this lipooxidase enzyme which present in the fish may also leads to produce oxidative residue. But these enzymes may be inactivated by heating at 80 to 100 degrees C and hence is not considered a serious problem in oil extracted using heat. अगर हमने heat use किया है, so this type of problem we can't face. But अगर हम दूसरा अगर exposure कर रहे हैं light में, singlet oxygen में, metal ions में, तो definitely our fat or oils will be oxidized. Then another one is the flavor reversion. Flavor reversion means development of the flavor once it is removed. अगर हमने उसको रिमूव कर दिया फ्लेवर को, तो वो फिर से वो हमारे प्रोडक्ट में वो आ सकता है. How it is possible? Deodorized fish oil on storage develop a fishy odor and flavor similar or not to the original fish flavor. The phenomenon is called as flavor reversion. It is called primarily due to the oxidation of deodorized oil. Basically, the oxidation of the fish oils. We are facing the problem of flavor reversion. That means whatever the flavor was there during the initial beginning, so that flavor we may once again received once the fat is oxidized. So that is the flavor reversion. Then how we can control this deterioration of fish oils? The most important method of controlling deterioration of fish oil is the use of antioxidant. You must have to use antioxidant. What is the function? It prevents the oxidation of the fish oils. It prevents the oxidation of the fish fat or lipid. So we are using different kinds of the antioxidant, whether it is synthetic or natural. So and if we are using the combination of these antioxidants, so it having a synergetic effect, which is more advantageous employed to prevent oxidation. Other methods to control deteriorative changes in fish oil includes stabilization by means of very slight halogenation and storing under inert gas like nitrogen. So we have to use such type of gases, inert gas or halogenation techniques during the storage of the fish oils. But most commonly we are using the what we can say, this antioxidant, use of the antioxidant, whether it is a synthetic or natural. So synthetic, we are using the hydroquinone, pyrogallol, catechol, para-aminobenzoic acid, butylated hydroxyanisole, butylated hydroxytoluene, then TBHQ is also there. BHA, BST and TBHQ. These are the synthetic antioxidant which are helping to prevent the oxidation of fish oils. So we are not losing the quality of the fish oils. Our quality will be maintained as such, what we have extracted from the fish. So that is the use of the synthetic antioxidant. Then beside the using of the synthetic antioxidant, we are also using the natural antioxidant. What are those? So tocopherol is there, phosphatides is there, gallic acid is there, gum guaric. Achha, some spelling mistake is here. You have to check. Gum guaric or gum guaric. Yeah, gum guaric is there. R is missing, I think. Then nor dihydroguaric acid, then ascorbic acid. These are the natural antioxidant which we are using to prevent the oxidation of the fish oils. So this is the natural antioxidant. Then prevention of the deterioration in the fish oils. Another application is another application we can say this use of fish body oil. This another page. Fish body oil, we can say what we are using. The topic is the use of fish body oil, where we are using after the extraction. हमने extract किया, stack करके preserve किया, preserve करने के बाद store किया, store करने के बाद ultimately we must have to sell, we must have to use. Where we are using, where we are selling. So that is the application, which is very important. Because the fish oil, it contains the highly unsaturated fatty acid, especially the omega-3 fatty acid, which is EPA, DHA, icosapentaenoic, and docosahexaenoic acid. So highly unsaturated fish body oils can be used as a drying oils in paint and varnishes industry. Many oils are used for human consumption as a cooking oil after hydrogenation and also as a medium in fish canning. Fish canning technology is there. In canning, what we are doing, we are using a media. मीडिया हम बहुत सारे यूज करते हैं ना, टोमेटो सॉस करते हैं, ब्राइन यूज करते हैं, ऑयल यूज करते हैं. So in case of using this canning technology, so what media we are using? We are using different kinds of media. If we are using oils and having this fish oils is a very advantageous. Then it also finds use of margarine. They are used as a carriers of fat soluble vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins, DECA is there, A and D is the most one. They also find use in the manufacturing of linoleum, detergent, artificial rubber, lubricants, printing inks, soap, etc. These are the application of fish body oil. Then fish oils of sardine and similar species are good source of polyunsaturated fatty acid, particularly N3 series or omega series, omega-3 series we can say PUFA, which are known to have a anti-cholesterolemic effect, and hence is largely used in control of heat element in humans, and omega-3 PUFA concentrates are now available in capsule form. अभी मेडिकल शॉप में चले जाओ, आराम से बोलना हमको फिश ऑयल का कैप्सूल चाहिए, you will get, because several industry, pharmaceutical industry, they are using this fish oil capsule, they are manufacturing, they are producing, and they are selling into the market, especially for the patient who is having these problems. Heart disease हो गया, then heart disease हो गया, then एथरो
आई रिलेटेड सर,
आई में भी होता है, ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट में भी होता है, स्पेशली जो बच्चे होते हैं ना हमारे, जो बेबी यंग वन बेबी है, यंग वन बेबी, उसको ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो है ना, वी रिक्वायर अ लॉट ऑफ ईपी एंड डीएचए. So if we are using a formula feed, so they must have to incorporate EPA and DHA. Why they are using this EPA and DHA? For the development of this brain of the baby. अगर कोई हार्ट का पेशेंट है, अगर कोई हार्ट का पेशेंट है, दे मस्ट हैव टू यूज, they must have to consume this EP and DHA. Why? Because the heart is continuously pumping, pump कर रहा है, वो continuously pump कर रहा है. So continuously, if someone is functioning, the muscles or the cells, they must have elasticity in nature. If it is inelastic, that means the peoples will get the people heart will get collapsed. तो क्या होता है, हार्ट अटैक आ जाता है. हार्ट अटैक आया, आदमी वहीं मर जाएगा. क्यों मर जाएगा? क्योंकि भाई उसके हार्ट में जो पंपिंग चल रहा है, उसके मसल्स का जो इलास्टिसिटी है वो इतना सफिशिएंट नहीं है जो उस वो प्रेशर के जर्क को वो सह सके, उस प्रेशर को वो टॉलरेट कर पाए. तो क्या होगा, कोलैप्स हो जाएगा, हार्ट कोलैप्स हो जाएगा और आदमी मर जाएगा उधर ही. दूसरा यूज क्या है, मतलब अदर यूजेस ऑफ दिस यूजिंग दिस फिश ऑयल्स इज स्पेशली फॉर दिस आर्थराइटिस पीपल, जिसको पूरा जॉइंट में, बॉडी में पूरा दर्द होता है, बहुत दर्द होता है, माथा में, सर में, कमर में, जहां जहां जॉइंट है वहां पे दर्द होता है. भाई दर्द हो रहा है तो क्या करेगा, डॉक्टर के पास जाएगा. डॉक्टर क्या क्या प्रेस्क्राइब करेगा, यू मे टेक सम ऑफ दिस कैप्सूल, सम ऑफ दिस मेडिसिन. बट what composition is there in the medicine, people are not seeing. They must have to know what the composition is there. So definitely the EP and DHA is there, and most of the EP and DHA is coming from our fish, because they are able to produce the EP and DHA in sufficient quantity. We are also going to country means हम भी कर सकते हैं, उसको प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, बट प्रोसेस इज देयर. फॉर दैट वी रिक्वायर द ओमेगा 3 सीरीज ऑफ फैटी एसिड. ओमेगा 3 सीरीज स्पेशली द लिनोलेनिक फैटी एसिड. चाहे हम वेजिटेरियन हैं या नॉन वेजिटेरियन है, हमको वहीं से सोर्स आ रहा है. वेजिटेरियन है तो हमको डेफिनेटली लिनोलेनिक एसिड मिलेगा. नॉन वेजिटेरियन है तो इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ फिश, you will get the EPA, DHA, whatever the omega-3 series is there. But especially vegetarian peoples जो हैं उनको लिनोलेनिक एसिड ही मिल पाता है, तो वहां से वो उसका बॉडी उसको सिंथेसाइज करने की कोशिश करता है. बट इट इज अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. इट रिक्वायर्स साइक्लोऑक्सीजन, दिस cyclooxygenase and lipoxygenase enzymes to convert this omega-3, this linolenic to EPA and DHA. That means linolenic is how much? Linolenic is how much? Linolenic acid is how much? I mean, how much number of carbon atom is there? भाई हम अपने स्टूडेंट से पूछ रहे हैं लिनोलेनिक एसिड में कितना नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम होता है?
22.
पर
18 सर.
18.
ये 22 वाला कौन स्टूडेंट है भाई? 22 किसने बताया? It is 18 number of carbon atom in the linolenic acid. But how much number of double bonds is there?
3.
3. That means 18 is 3. So if we are a vegetarian peoples, that means we are getting the linolenic acid because we are depending on the plant source based food. So we are getting the linolenic acid. So we can able to convert this linolenic acid to EPA and DHA. So फिर 18 से हमको 22 तक जाने के लिए we require different kinds of the process. We require different enzymes to convert this free fatty acid or fatty acid to reach the EP and DHA. But especially the non-vegetarian peoples, if they are taking the fishes, especially the marine fish, mackerel, sardine, herrings, menhaden, cod, that means they are having a sufficient source of this EPA and DHA, which present on the fish body, fish liver. Okay, so the development will be different if it is vegetarian or non-vegetarian. ठीक है, हमने अपना कंप्लीट किया कोर्स आज का फिश बॉडी ऑयल. अनदर टॉपिक विल बी द फिश लीवर ऑयल. बॉडी के बाद में हम लीवर में प्रवेश करेंगे. और आज तक के लिए हमारा यही था. कोई कंफ्यूजन हो तो you are most welcome to ask a question. And don't forget to listen YouTube channel which is there in the our university website or university YouTube channel Bashu. कुछ ऐसा हो जो हमने कवर किया समझ में नहीं आया, मन हो रहा होगा सर से पूछ लेते हैं आज.
सर जितना भी कंट्री आप बतलाए जो कंट्रीब्यूट करता है फिश ऑयल प्रोडक्शन में, वो ज्यादातर तो मराइन फिश का ही है ना सर?
तो मोस्टली जो हमारा प्रोडक्शन होता है फिश ऑयल का या फिश मील का, वो हमारा जो मरीन फिश होते हैं उधर से ही होता है. लैंड बेस्ड से हमारा ज्यादातर जो कंट्री हो या स्टेट हो, लैंड बेस्ड स्टेट, वहां से हमारा फिश मील का प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा नहीं है. क्यों ज्यादा नहीं है? बिकॉज द कैच इज लेस and also the production of the fish meal and oil is very less because the receipt जो हमारा रॉ मटेरियल्स का जो है प्रोडक्शन वही कम है, तो डेफिनेटली उतना सफिशिएंट क्वांटिटी नहीं हो पाता है जो हम उसको दूसरे बाय प्रोडक्ट में हम कन्वर्ट करें. बाय प्रोडक्ट टेक्नोलॉजी का एक ही खासियत है, जो हम जिस चीज को यूज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो हम उसको यूजेबल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर लें, तो वो आई थिंक हमको कुछ ना कुछ रेवेन्यू जनरेट करके देगा, है ना. सपोज हमारे पास प्रोडक्शन बहुत हो गया एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू सेल इनटू द मार्केट, देन व्हाट वी विल डू? वेदर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कार्ड दैट फिश? नो. इफ यू आर ए ग्रेजुएट, इफ यू आर ए फिशरीज पीपल, if you are educated fisheries people, we are having a knowledge, you don't have to discard, you must have to utilize a single catch which you are getting from the water, whether it is a fresh or whether it is a marine, whether it is a brackish. It depends upon the catch. और कोई किसी को पूछना है तो पूछो भाई.
सर टॉक्सिकोलॉजी में हम लोग पढ़े थे सर फुलर्स अर्थ का, जो कि बोलते हैं मुल्तानी मिट्टी सर. और ये चारकोल जो एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल है सर, वो भी फुलर अर्थ में आता है सर.
बेसिकली इसका फंक्शन ये है, जो भी कलर कंपाउंड है उस कलर कंपाउंड को वो क्या करते हैं, अपने अंदर में एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. ठीक है, तो जो भी कलर पिगमेंट है या कलर कंपाउंड है वो अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब कर देगा, तो जो नेचुरल जो फिश आई का जो कलर होगा वही कलर हमको मिलेगा. बेसिकली यूजिंग ऑफ दिस एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल और फुलर अर्थ इज टू एब्जॉर्ब द naturally occurring pigment which present in the fish oils.
तो ब्लीचिंग प्रोसेस के लिए सर?
या ब्लीचिंग only. अगर chemical bleaching techniques, if we are using that chemical bleaching, if we will use, that is not suitable. Why it is not suitable? Because it is going to favor the oxidation process of the fish oils. So if we are using the bleaching agent which are chemical in nature, that means chemical bleaching agent, so our fish oils will be oxidized. Then what is the use of that oils? That is lost.
Yes,
So
sir.
whatever the methods we are applying, it should be means not harmful, it should be useful. मतलब हमें वो नुकसान नहीं दे हमारे प्रोडक्ट को, या उसका फर्दर एप्लीकेशन हो रहा है क्लाइंट के ऊपर में तो उसको भी हमें मतलब हार्मफुल नहीं करे। तो बेसिक हमारा वो है एप्लीकेशन। बोलो।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
और कोई किसी को पूछना है तो पूछो, बट पार्टिसिपेंट बहुत कम है, लगता नहीं है जो मतलब जेआरएफ में इंटरेस्ट है किसी को। डॉली ही एक हमको दिख रहा है और एक अनवरी आई थी एक दिन, बाकी तो कभी पूछने तक नहीं आए। बाकी लोग क्या पढ़ना है या नहीं पढ़ना है भाई ग्रेजुएशन के बाद में? देखो जो इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है मेरी क्लास में हम बोल देते हैं, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू मस्ट हैव टू नोट डाउन। ठीक, बिगनिंग में कितने पार्टिसिपेंट थे, अभी देखो केवल 9 है, मतलब किसी को अब पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं है। कुछ पूछना है या क्लोज किया जाए? हेलो,
Close कर दीजिए, sir.
चलो ठीक है।